At the heart of this heritage neighborhood in Tiong Bahru lies this traditional Asian-style home that is noticeably unique for its ornate embellishment of rare historical antiques and cultural memorabilia that the homeowner, Linus, has collected over the years.
Every historical piece in this home has a story to tell. A personal favorite of mine is the old window panel that was once part of the older pre-development houses in China. While this pair of embroidered shoes was sold by an old Chinese woman who had bind feet. In fact, I do have a vast collection of Oriental furnishing which I wanted to include into my home interior. I'm glad to have had Vincent on board as my interior designer, who provided practical design solutions that harmonized the antique furnishing and the diverse interior elements altogether. One such suggestion made was the old Panarakan floral tiling, which can be found consistently throughout the interior.
The walls to the kitchen were knocked down to create an open concept kitchen that allows more natural light to flow in. Dark wood undertones and vibrant patterns were within to complement the traditional interior ambiance.
For the bathroom, we tried something a little different. Vincent suggested incorporating modern design elements such as the marble veined tiles to contrast with the vintage ventilation blocks. The indoor balcony is the corner of the home where I enjoy spending my time relaxing while enjoying the outside view. Originally, this balcony was an outdoor space, but Vincent advised me to bring it indoors to expand the communal space and for easy maintenance. Looking back, my renovation journey had been smooth sailing, even though I was not actively involved. Vincent's open communication and constant update assured me at every step of the renovation journey. Overall, the interior lab was very efficient in delivering within the demanding timeline of 8 weeks. This traditional Asian home is not only a personal space of mine, but a unique sanctuary where I can truly and deeply immerse myself in the fascinating stories of the past. I'm proud to call this place my home.